Hi Kannan,
Good morning.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side. Yeah. Kannan, introduce about yourself.
Yeah, I'm Kannan. I'm come from Tamil Nadu. Graduation completed Government of Engineering, Tirunelveli.
How you got to know about CMTI Institute?
Google,
Google.
Google, search Google.
Okay. Kannan, what you have chosen in the CMTI Institute? What the course you have adopted?
Course ideal courses, Interior Design and Management.
Okay. Like you have chosen IDM, right? What are the topics you have covered in IDM? What you have learned in IDM?
Learning on the first sequence of construction, beam column, footing, length beam, procurement engineering, sales engineering.
Okay. How was your site visits? Where all you have went for the site visits?
Like this, Indian wood, IPO, glamour, glamour.
Okay, Kannan. How was the trainer support towards you?
Okay, ma'am. Good support.
Okay, Kannan. How was the staff and coordinators of CMTI helped you out?
Good, good appearance and approach. Good approach and daily helping.
Okay. Finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMTI?
CMTI, good opportunities. Opportunity prepared.
Okay, Kannan. Thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future.
Thank you.
Okay, Kannan. Thank you.
Nandri.